All right, if you guys have a third generation Tacoma and the fan is not working very good, it is probably because the connector is burnt. So there's an eBay kit, Amazon kit you can buy. It gives you this, and it's the same connector. And you just gotta snip it off and put it back in. You just gotta be able to follow the color code because it is different, like that. Just make sure you match them up like this. Okay. And of course, links are in the video description. Click on that. You'll get the exact same product I'm using. It even comes with 2 heat shrink crimps, butt splices, and just basically put it in and you plug it in and it works. All right, so that's what I mean by pay attention to the color code, because you want to keep the plugs the same direction. So the red one originally is now the black one, and the white one is now the red one. Okay, so if you keep that in mind and wire this up correctly, you'll be all right. All right, so here's how I got it. If you got a heat gun, you should heat that so it shrinks. If you don't, just keep it like that. It's okay. You might want to, electrical tape it or something, or zip tie this. But then you just gotta plug it back in, right there. That's the hole it goes back into, right there. I'll show you here in a second. All right, there it is. We're gonna go test it, make sure it works before we do this. A lot of times this problem will also be if you go to the different power levels, which is right here. Different power levels right here, and you're not getting enough speed at only high speed at the top end. That's because of that connector too. So just replace it. I think it's like 10 bucks on Amazon. Like I said, all the links will be in the video description. But this is awesome. I didn't do this before, and then I'm gonna do this now, and I know that's the problem because the connector was burnt. So when you have a burnt connection like this, basically this is no bueno. This is real bad right here. Burnt connections are the worst enemy in terms of transferring power. So yeah, should work. Right, I'm gonna show you the difference. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Maybe you guys can hear it, maybe you can't, but that's the power. So before, when I went down one click from high, it almost went to half power, and now it's staying pretty high. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Pretty simple fix.